Semantic search is great at finding text that means the right thing. But sometimes meaning isn't enough. What if you only want results from this year? Or only documents this specific user is allowed to see? Pure meaning matching can't enforce that. So we add a second tool that works alongside it, metadata filtering, and it makes retrieval both sharper and safer. Welcome back to AI in 5. Remember how a vector database stores the vector and the original text? It can also store metadata, little tags attached to each chunk. Things like which document it came from, the date it was written, the author, the category, which user or team owns it, even an access level. These tags don't capture meaning. They capture facts about the chunk, and those facts let you filter. So what's worth tagging? Usually the source and title, so you can cite it later. The date, so you can favor recent info. The owner, team, or user, so you can scope results to the right person. And the category or access level, so you can separate, say, public docs from internal ones. You set these tags once at indexing time, and then you can filter on them forever. Here's how it combines with search. Instead of searching all your vectors, you first narrow to the ones whose tags match your rule. Only this user's files, only docs from the last year. Then you run the semantic search just within that filtered subset. So you get meaning matching, but constrained to exactly the slice you're allowed and intend to search. Rules first, then relevance. There are two timings. Pre-filtering narrows down by tags first, then searches only what's left, which is precise and great for security. Post-filtering searches everything, then throws away results that don't match the tags, which is simpler but can leave you with too few results if most got filtered out. For access control especially, pre-filtering is usually the safer, cleaner choice. Let me hammer the security angle, because it's huge. Imagine an AI assistant used by a whole company. Without filtering, a clever question might pull up a chunk from someone else's private file. With a metadata filter that says, only search documents this user can access, that leak simply can't happen. The filter acts as a guard at the door. In real products, this isn't optional, it's essential. So metadata filtering buys you three big things. Precision, you search only the relevant slice, like one project or one customer, instead of everything. Freshness, you can prefer or require recent material and avoid stale answers. And security, you enforce who can see what, which becomes critical the moment real, private data is involved. Meaning finds the right idea. Metadata makes sure it's the right idea you're actually allowed to use. To use it well, think about your tags before you index. What will you actually want to filter on later? Apply them consistently. Every chunk from a document should carry the same owner and access tags. And keep them honest as things change. If a document's access changes, its tags should too. Good metadata is a little discipline up front that pays off every single query. So the real power move is combining the two. Semantic search handles, is this relevant? Metadata filtering handles, is this allowed, recent, and in scope? Meaning plus rules. Almost every serious RAG application leans on both at once, because real questions live in a world of permissions, dates, and categories, not just pure meaning. So metadata filtering pairs meaning matching with hard rules about tags, source, date, owner, and access, making retrieval both more precise and genuinely secure. Next, we tackle a way to squeeze even better quality out of your top results. Tomorrow, re-ranking, a smart second pass that reorders your matches for accuracy. See you tomorrow on AI in 5.